the best ang Sunday namin, guys. So, hiking day with my love, with my Satsu Jason Statham. So, itong mga ganap. So, let's watch! Picture clips muna, guys. So, ang mga kaganapan to follow na. So, don't forget to like, subscribe. Watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Okay. Please hold it.
What do you want to do? Can you do it, Granny?
I'm not Granny. Stop.
There's no.
Yeah, I made it.
Hey.
I go there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I made it.
Wow, this was really difficult.
Yeah, thank you. Wow, amazing. Super ganda.
Look at this.
Yeah. Galing kami dun sa baba, guys. Nandito na kami sa top. Sa taas. What's the name of this place, Atsi? Again, can you say it correctly? The place, the name of this place. What's that? Krakow. I'm sorry. Super ganda, guys. Oh, ang view dito. Diba? Woo! Propeller. Ito ang maliit na sapa-sapa, guys, dito. Oh. Oh, ito ang aming palasyo. Charot lang. Ang ganda, uy. Kasing ganda mo. Panahon. Kasing ganda mo ang view dito. So, Emshorn. Yeah, yan. Just na yung galaxy. Palay video ko. See you later, the gamer.
Did you hear that? Oh, mommy was lying. She just wants the video.
Guys, ang ganda ng river dito. Sobrang ganda.
You have to go to the right, otherwise people will not see the river. There you go. Okay, now you can make douchey movements.
Wait,
Yes.
wait, a little bit. Hiking day. Wait, can you go forward towards me, please? Ay, malapit na tayo, guys. Medyo malapit na tayo.
I have no idea what you're saying.
It's a low tide, what?
I'm not sure if it's low tide.
It's a low tide.
I'm not sure if it's low tide.
So what do you think?
I think this might be normal at the moment.
Okay, and this is the cornfields. Can you show them, guys?
I thought you said it's mice.
Mais, yeah, cornfields. It's mais, yeah, it's correct. It's hiking day, super cool. We're going there, Sats, till the end.
I don't know.
Where are you going?
There's no really an end until the Elbe River is coming.
Ah, okay.
That's
Okay,
what
thank you very much.
I want to see maybe to go to the ferry. Smaller ferry, good.
Ang ganda ng kamaisa nila, guys. Oh. Cornfield to. Lahat hanggang dito, hanggang doon, guys. Puro siya, mais. Kamaisan. Tapos ang mga gilid, puro siya apples. O, diba? Super ganda. Uy. Uy, ang lakas ng hangin. mga project sa una pa nung tayo high school, project sa agriculture. Hala, palikot to. Wow. Hello, kama ba? Ang dami nila, oh. They're running away. Okay. Oh, ayan, please. Nag-aalisan ng mga maumong sa kanya. Ito? Oh, nangungulikta tayo nito, di ba? Nung tayo high school po, elementary, sa ating subject na agriculture. Sabi ni sir, hala, mangulikta kayo ng tayo sa baka. Para may project kayo, para may grado kayo, para makagraduate. O, diba? Relate? Yeah, gutom ka na. Asan ba si nanay? Oh.
They will eat around the brennesel, so they don't like them.
Okay. Daming tupa.
Someone has to come with a lawnmower.
Why they have color coding there?
Because it's the one that are marked for fading.
Yeah, I see there's no skin. Okay.
We're gonna leave them all time like this now. It's winter.
Okay, they already
That are for this area specific.
okay, they're having a, how do you call it? Is this racist? The black and the white is separated.
We're not separated. They're eating with the others. Why are they separated?
Okay, but I don't think so.
It's
They're
a different race.
okay. Uy, sheepy. Oh my god, sobrang ganda guys. Oh. For another farm. Mabusog ka sa makakanindot sa mga views there. Dahil sa Elmshorn. Sana mo pronounce ko na ng proper ang pangalan ng city dito sa aming gipuyan. Elmshorn, whatever it is. Basta yun na yun, maganda ang tanawin. Oh, blue na blue, mga pangano. Oh, sobrang ganda. Oh. Si Jason Sata nga una na nagbo-borlogs na. Sige guys, bye na. See you later. More videos to come. Ang tropang Marites, oh, nandun guys sa ilalim ng puno. Sheep. Na rin guys kung takot ba sila sa tao. Takot ba kayo sa tao? Oh, they're so nice. Ay, takot man sila sa tao. Uy. Hey Sats, he's coming with me, Sats.
Why are you?
Ang cute ng mga puwet nito ay. Uy. Aba, nakapila ang gutomness. Bye bye. So enjoy your day, okay?